Hi, I'm Darrius Willrich. I am a singer, songwriter, and keyboardist who has been playing and teaching piano for over 3 decades. And over those years, I developed a proven system for my students to repeatedly accelerate their progress. Jazz Piano Pro Essentials. I demonstrate the necessary techniques to play jazz piano like a pro in my online video course with downloadable guidebook. If you had piano lessons in the past, this is also the perfect piano refresher course. This is a 12-week course that provides the foundational principles to jazz piano and keeps it simple. If you never quite got the hang of it, my simplified method will bring back the joy of playing piano, because it really can be a lot of fun once you get the hang of it. Let me show you how to master major scales with a unique method called clusters. And I will show you how to play triads and 7th chords with ease. You'll learn the most used chord progression that will set you up to play jazz piano. You'll learn advanced chord progressions and explore more possibilities. I will prepare you to play your first jazz song by reading a lead sheet. Learn to play jazz piano like a pro, by a pro, with Jazz Piano Pro Essentials. Enroll today at jazzpianopro.com and learn the quickest way to start memorizing and playing scales today. Download my free quick start guide at jazzpianopro.com.